Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching WION World this one. My name is Diksha Bisla. Let's start with the headlines. British media reports say that the BBC will issue an apology for misleading editing of a Donald Trump speech used in a Panorama documentary. This comes after the White House accused the broadcaster of spreading 100% fake news. Syria carries out dozens of preemptive raids targeting Islamic State cells ahead of President Al-Shara's meeting with President Donald Trump at the White House. Humanitarian organizations urge Israel to open additional crossings to allow more food, medicines and other supplies into Gaza, as UN warns that aid inflows is still too low. Russia unleashes one of its largest attacks on Ukraine in months, firing more than 450 drones and 45 missiles. Ukrainian officials say at least 7 people have been killed and energy infrastructure damaged across several regions. String winds and heavy rain lash Philippines as Typhoon reaches super typhoon status ahead of landfall. Delhi's air quality continues to deteriorate as most monitoring stations record AQI levels in the severe category. A shallow layer of smoke blankets the city as temperatures dip. Azerbaijan holds massive Victory Day parade in Baku with President Ilham Aliyev joined by Turkish President Erdogan in attendance. Prediction markets currently give only about a 20% chance that the Supreme Court will uphold Trump's tariff authority as traders grow increasingly skeptical of his legal case.